Have you ever wondered what mysteries lie hidden behind the smooth surface of your walls? Today, we're taking a deep dive into the fascinating world of what's inside a wall in your house. From structural supports to intricate systems, your walls are packed with essential components that make your home function. Let's peel back the layers and discover what's truly there. At its core, a wall consists of studs that form the skeletal structure, providing support and shape. Between these studs, insulation, like fiberglass or foam, is installed to regulate temperature and reduce noise. Hidden within are the arteries of your home's electrical system, wires that snake through the studs, bringing power to outlets, switches, and light fixtures. Safety is paramount here, with proper installation preventing hazards. Water supply lines and drainage pipes are also tucked away, delivering fresh water to your faucets and carrying wastewater away. These essential conduits ensure your daily routines run smoothly. For comfort, HVAC ducts silently distribute heated or cooled air throughout your home, ensuring a consistent indoor climate no matter the season. These networks are crucial for maintaining air quality and temperature. Beyond the basics, you might find vapor barriers to control moisture, soundproofing materials for quieter living, or even fire-resistant drywall for added safety. These layers work together for a comfortable and secure environment. In modern homes, walls can even conceal smart home technology, integrating lighting, security, and climate control for a truly connected living experience. The walls of your house are far more complex than they appear, a testament to intricate engineering and design that keeps your home safe, comfortable, and functional. The next time you look at a wall, remember the hidden world within.